Hi there, I'm Roel, and today I would like to show you how to use a T-SCAN Hawk 2 for measuring big parts. Here we have a large sand mold for a sand car of a pump housing. This mold has undergone many changes in order to optimize the parts. However, these changes were made by hand and is never documented. If something happens to this mold, we will have a big issue because all these iterations over the years would be lost. That's why today we want to make a digital copy of the mold in its current optimized state. We do this by first scanning the mold, resulting in a 3D mesh. This mesh can be used in the ZEISS reverse engineering software to create a CAD file from it. Once you have a CAD file, you can recreate the manually changed mold and you have a reference for your future inspection projects. This way we make sure that our new parts are casted according to the changes which have been made. Let's take it and make it! The T-SCAN Hawk 2 is a portable system which needs reference points to position itself in space. These reference points are randomly positioned on the part and are used by the scanner. When we are scanning such a big part, we have the advantage of our big field of view, as we are able to scan a bigger portion of the part in one go. An additional advantage here is that we need less reference points on the part because of the big field of view. If you are scanning big parts, we cannot just collect reference points by moving over the surface, as this will introduce an additional error called a stitching error. For larger parts, we would like to know the exact 3D coordinates of the reference points all around the part in order to have a stable backbone. This will be used afterwards to position the 3D scanner in space. With the satellite mode, we have developed a new algorithm that enables us to directly calculate the position of reference points on parts based on images. This data enables the software to create a stable backbone. The certified hyperscales help to greatly enhance the volumetric accuracy for larger parts if we compare it to the classical built-in photogrammetry from our previous generation of handheld scanner. When we place the scale bars in the setup, we can take the images from all around the part to make kind of an umbrella. Just position your part in the grid that is projected and start taking images of the part by using the trigger button on the T-SCAN Hawk 2. Every picture will immediately show up in the inspection software where you can see that all reference points as well as the scale bars are immediately recognized. The inspection software will calculate the stable bundle, which functions as a reference for additional scans. So now you see that the reference points are recognized by the scanner and we are able to measure the complete big part in a stable way. Again, having this large field of view is a very big advantage because we can place less reference points and we can scan the part in a very fast way. So now with this complete scan, we are able to reverse engineer the part and make a digital copy of it. For more how-tos, getting started, product updates or any other questions regarding 3D scanning, please visit handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the information section of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.